I'm Shannon, the garden girl from Georgina Garden Center. We're going to fertilize a hedge today. This is a white cedar hedge and was planted just a couple of years ago, so you can still see it's still a little sparse, but we fertilize it regularly so it will fill in quite quickly. Within the next year or two you won't be able to see through it at all. We are going to use a granular fertilizer. This is Actisol. It's natural and it has lower numbers. It is a 439, as you can see here, and you want low numbers for trees and shrubs. And to fertilize, it's super easy. So you just cut open your bag. You don't have to do it all the way open, just have to get your hand in. And then as you go across, you're gonna fertilize it like you would spread chicken feed. Just handful in. You're gonna aim for about a foot up the hedge, so that way the fertilizer drops nice and neat in there. And just all the way along your hedge like that. And then when you're done, you can water it all in.